Hello there, welcome to the next channel, which is all about sewing, and I hope you had a good Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. Okay, so today I don't know if I might sew or I might not sew. I don't know yet, but as I said 2 weeks ago, I'll be sewing this blouse D. Okay, now I am using stripes, and I'm using contrast blue for the sleeve, half of the placket, and the color. I'm hoping, yeah, now it's focusing. So you see, okay, so as usual, I've cut everything out, and I went ahead and did a couple of things. So I'm gonna walk you guys through. Okay, I'm gonna start with the back. This is the back. Okay, I hope the back also has a pleat. Okay, and it's asking you to baste the pleat. First, I iron the pleat, I put pins in there, and I baste it. Okay, so the pins are still in there that I'm gonna be taking them out. I don't know if you saw the thread, but give me a minute. One thing at a time. And I didn't follow my own instructions. I did test the iron, and I press it so it looks a little bit wobbly. Some places, I think the iron was a little bit hot. Okay, I don't think you can see it on the camera, but from where, okay, you see the pink thread? That's my basting thread. So this is the sleeve. It's all done to go on the blouse after I join everything. Okay, this is the wrong side, and then with the top, the rolling top. Okay, and this is how the right side looks like. Okay, and all this, we've walked through this before. We've sewn this before, I should say. Now, the front is where the placket is, as usual. Okay, so I went ahead and did that. I put the pocket. I skipped some instruction order and went ahead and did a couple of things, like the pocket. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah. Okay, the best way to match this pocket is I cut a piece of my fabric, match it on the fabric, and then I put the pocket pattern on, and I cut. But first, mark where the pocket start from the top, one end where you're going to start sewing and going all around. So mark both, and then put the fabric on and match your stripes, and then put the pattern piece on. And that's the easiest and fastest way of doing it. Okay, so I've shown you the back. Now I've shown you the front. The front also the same thing. There's a pleat, and I had to baste it. I've done all the pleats, but I didn't baste it yet. Okay, so now this is what you need to start all this. I have my hand needle, a contrast color thread for basting. I have the blue thread for the sleeve, but I use white to do my serging. Where is it? I find it fancier. Okay, so this is for the sleeve, and it's going to be for the collar too. And now this color for my fabric itself. Okay, and then I have my I have my buttons. Match it as close as I can. There we go. Now, and again, you need your buttonhole attachments. You need your button attachment. I haven't video a tape for what, 2 weeks, and I feel like it's a brand new to me and I'm fumbling everywhere, but I'll get my groove back on. Okay, the color is not sold yet. I put my interfacing in there. I have my interfacing on the color. This is the left side of the placket, my interfacing in there, and this is the lining, so I use the contrast. And this is the right side of the placket. Also put my interfacing in there, and this is the lining of it. Okay, so this is the right side and this is the left side. Now, what else? And my pocket. As I always tell you, I always like my pocket a little bit longer and a little bit wider. So today I don't think I'm gonna sew. So by next week I will base this and I'll walk you through the front placket on the machine. Okay, so now let me walk you through what I've done so far on the pattern, and then that will be it for today. Okay, this is half far I have done, except I haven't sewn the placket on the blouse yet. Okay, so this is how far I've gone with you so far. Let's see, the front, and I've sewn all this already, but then I haven't put the placket to the blouse. And where else have I done? And then the back, I finished that, and I think I jumped to the sleeve. Where's the sleeve? And I jumped to the sleeve. Okay, there we go. There. So we are done for today. Happy sewing, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Thank you.